up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing another product review, and this time I have squishies and I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. I did look through them already. Whoopsies, I probably shouldn't have and waited, but I couldn't wait. I was just so ready to open them. But before I show you guys, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below if you're new, and turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. So thank you, WATINC, for sending me this box. And also, I want to apologize if I'm saying your name wrong. Also, in this video, I'm doing a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see how to win some of these squishies. So let's get opening. So the first package in here are some DIY ones, and I am really excited when I saw this one because I've been wanting some DIY squishies for a long time to decorate. So let's open them and see which ones I got. Oh, it comes with little stickers to put on your squishies. So I can make one an emoji. Oh, that'd be cool. Aww. Pandas. And I'm guessing cats. Okay. So the first one I have is a heart, and I actually have one like this. Oh, these are actually really, really soft. Oh, I like these. This one I can make an emoji. I'm already planning what I want to make them. Oh, this one has a bow. It reminds me of Hello Kitty. French fries, my favorite food. Really excited for this one. This one isn't as squishy as the other ones though, but a lot of them are way more squishy than I expected. Oh, we have another heart, and it reminds me of a macaroon, the way it has that around it. This, I'm gonna say it's a dumpling, because that's what it looks like. These two are slices of bread. This one is just a circle. I can make this one in another emoji. And then this is a lemon. It also comes with a bunch of clips so you can clip your squishies and you can hang them on your backpack, purse, or whatever you like. And I'm actually going to wait for another video to decorate these because I want to paint them and not just put the stickers on them. So make sure you look for an upcoming video of me decorating these squishies. Next I have this huge package of mini squishies. Let's go and open this because I already see a peanut in here and I don't have a peanut squishy. And that looks really cool. So let's hurry up and open it. So I'm going to, oh, they're so cute. So I'm going to open each one of them and tell you what they are. So this one is a cat with a dog's face on it. That's interesting. So I got a panda bun on bread. A medium one. I got an emoji. Another emoji. And this one is laughing, crying. Oh, that one's really cute. It's a bear. That one is really soft. I got another panda bun, and I actually have a panda bun just like this, except it has a bow on it. And I don't have a regular one without a bow, so that's cool. A mini emoji. Wow, a lot of these are really soft and slow rising. I'm really surprised. Oh my gosh, it looks like a Teddy Graham. Oh my gosh. It's a mini Teddy Graham. I'm serious. It looks just like it. That one's not as soft, but it's still really cute. It's a bunny. I love bunnies so much. This one looks like a cookie, honestly. I have a pink fish, and I actually have a fish. This one is a cracker. Oh wow, that one is super hard. Yeah, that one's not as good. I actually already have this one. A donut with sprinkles. I like this one. This one's really pretty. A bitten green panda bun. Oh wow. Okay, this one's my favorite by far. This one is really soft and slow rising, like it hasn't even finished rising yet. Oh my gosh. I have this one too, but it is, I don't know. I feel like this one's more slow rising than the other one, but the other one's way softer. A face. Some blue bread. Must be old, I'm sure. And this one has a kissy face on it. I like this one. I actually have a bread just like this, except it doesn't have a face on it, so this makes it even cuter. It's a little dog. Okay, this one and this one have become my new favorites. Because this one is like so soft. Another face. Ooh, this one's so rising. I actually have this one, and my brother calls it a balloon. We're not really sure what it is, to be honest, so he's like, it's a balloon, so like, okay, we'll call it a balloon. A bear. Oh my gosh. Guys, the foot. This one is really soft, but for some reason it's really, really sticky. I don't have one like this. A green kitty, and I think I actually have a blue one of these. So add another one to my collection. A cracker, and I actually have this one too, but it's in yellow. I believe this one is a bear, maybe? have a macaroon, and I'm not really sure what the face is. It's just a face. And then I have it looks like, honestly, a scoop of ice cream. With chocolate and sprinkles on it, if you look at it. And then last, but definitely not least, it's a peanut! Oh my gosh, there's a face. I'm really excited for this one. That one is really soft and really surprising. Now let's open the next package. Guys, I'm really excited for this next package because it's October and you know what happens in October. Halloween. And these are Halloween squishies. So I'm really excited to open these. Oh, it reminds me of Casper. Oh, they're so cute. They are really soft and slow rising, but they're not as slow rising as some of the ones in here. Honestly. It's crazy, but still, I really like this one. Another skull. That one's really soft and slow rising. That one's even better than the ghost. That one's mad. That one's good, but out of all of them, by far, this one is the most slow rising. But I like all of them equally because they're all really cute. Guys, I'm really excited about this next one because it's Halloween too. So let's just get it open. Another jack-o'-lantern. So now I have twins. Another skull. Now I have 2 more twins. This one's a lot better though. This one's a lot faster and not as soft. And then this one's different. This one is, it looks like a pumpkin cupcake. That's so cute, and look how big it is. That one's really soft. And they threw in some extra play jewelry, and I know that I'm too old for play jewelry, but I know someone who's really going to love this, so I'm going to give it to them. Now it's time for the squishy giveaway. So I got a 10-piece of DIY squishies and a 30-piece whole bag of mini squishies, and they are all different from the ones that I got today. So one of you guys are going to get 40 squishies. So here's how you enter. The winner is going to be picked on Instagram. So rule number 1, you have to be following me on Instagram. My username will be right here. Rule number 2, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube. Rule number 3, take a screenshot of this video and post it on your Instagram. Ready? And make sure you use the hashtag Bryleigh's giveaway. Also make sure that you tag me so I can see it. And rule number 4, once you've completed all 3 of the other rules, make sure you comment the word done down below in the comments. And like I said before, I'm going to be picking one lucky winner to win all of these squishies. So how exciting is that? Okay, Bryleigh Squad, you got some homework, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Question of the day is, have you commented the word done? Make sure you do that down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!